like a song to sing about the preparation process, do you?
Funny you should ask, pal. Hit it! If you're heading to the desert to see a flower queen, make sure that you bring some extra sunscreen. Come on, let me inspect. You need SPF to protect you when you're walking in the harsh, dry desert. Don't want to get stuck in a desert sand trap, so bring along a phone and a map. If you're lost, you'll get found while you're desert bound when you're walking in the harsh, dry desert. Wear a big hat and a long sleeve shirt to make sure you don't burn, don't get hurt. Put on your boots and high socks, protect your feet and those walks when you're walking in the harsh, dry desert. To keep yourself warm, pack a sweatshirt, please, because at night it can drop as much as 50 degrees. What's the reason the night gets freezing when you're walking in the harsh, dry desert? Before you hit the desert, before you go, make sure to pack plenty of that H2O. You need lots of water if you're a desert trotter when you're walking in the harsh, dry desert. When you're walking in the harsh, dry desert.
Nobody gets it right the first time.
Everybody makes mistakes or goofs or gaffes.
We were put together in a flurry of excitement.
But look at us now. What are we like? Oh, you simply have to laugh. We're unusual. We're unique.
In other words, she's saying that we're freaks.
Self-against.
We're experiments gone bad.
In other words, whoever designed us must be mad.
Too many funnels or too many cogs.
We know a guy who was built to run on logs.
Too many wheels and gears and rods.
It's no wonder that we look so odd.
Give me a prod. What can't we do? What can't we do? What can't we do? Anything, it's true.
We're originals. We're one of a kind. We're upside down and forward to behind.
We're experiments gone wrong.
This yard's the only place that we could ever belong. We always try to do our best. Sadly, we rarely pass the test. I made a mess. Give us a job. Give us a task. Whatever it is, you'll be sorted and you lost.
But what can't we do? What can't we do? What can't we do? Anything, it's true. I can do something. Merlin? Invisibility on! Invisible, or can't you see? Who said that? You ask, it's only me. You look surprised, but have no fear. It's just a little trick to make myself disappear. Ah, hello again. We're lumpy and bumpy, we haven't got the puff. They try to make us better, but sometimes enough's enough. We're wobbly and knobbly and awkward in reverse. If practice makes you perfect, we're the ones. But what can't we do? What can't we do? What can't we do? Anything, it's true. We can't do anything, that's true. We can't do anything, but we can try. We can give anything a try. We will give